Somewhere in this video, I'm going to show you a little trick. Do you want to put an awning on the side of your car, but the brackets that you have won't match up with the roof platform? In this video, I'm going to show you how I managed to overcome that issue. Let's get into it. When I took my awning off my Ford Ranger to put it on my Isuzu, I thought that it would go straight on. But little did I know, the brackets wouldn't line up. This is what I did to overcome it. So what I did was, I got these pieces of aluminium and I bolted them between the two rails. So I through bolted this one so it holds the bracket and it goes into the channel, and then I bolted this straight to the aluminium frame. With this I used a channel nut and I was able to screw straight in. So as you can see, I've done that for the front and back. This might be an idea if you have other items that you think aren't going to reach between, the brackets aren't going to reach between the two rails. If you hear tinging or something similar while you're driving along with a roof awning, you might find that what it is your zippers are hitting together. I'm going to show you how to fix that. So all I've done is added heat shrink to the tabs and it's reduced the noise. The only bit of noise that I have is where the metal touches it, but it won't be this anymore. You could use electrical tape, but I prefer heat shrink because it looks a little bit more neater. Keep watching for the next video.